Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the commercial microwaves, and the unit's model number will be the 1834 and G1A, and the model they're using about like a 2800 watts for the units, and also they're using the commercial 220 plugs at the behind, and also the information will have stickers on the side of the units. They come in with the UL listed and the EPL certification approvals and the single phase of the units. Let's take a look at the overall size dimensions. The units entirely about like a 23 inches long, and include the back covers that will be about like a 19 inches deep, and the overall height is about like a 14.5 inches tall. As you can see, the front we have the control board manual boards right here. All the functions you can adjust from here, and the timers you can adjust from here too. And when you open this door, you can see the inner side. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. Entirely about like a 16 inches deep, and the 14 inches wide. And the overall height, the unit's about like almost like a 9 inches tall. That is all the information about our products. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.